A Mother's Day story. Let me tell you a little story today. It's about a boy named Liam and his mom, and it's about something we all know, Mother's Day. But maybe after this story, you will see Mother's Day a little differently. Liam was 12 years old. One day at school, his teacher said, "Don't forget this Sunday is Mother's Day." All the kids got excited. "I'm buying flowers," one said. "I'm getting my mom a big box of chocolate," another said. But Liam stayed quiet. He looked down at his desk because this year he had no money to buy anything. Liam lived with his mom in a small apartment. She worked two jobs, one at a shop and another cleaning offices at night. She was always tired, but every evening she still smiled at Liam and asked, "Did you eat? Are you okay?" Liam loved his mom more than anything, but now he felt sad. He wanted to give her something special for Mother's Day, but what could he do? Then Liam had an idea. He didn't need money, he just needed to use his heart. So he woke up early on Sunday. He cleaned the whole apartment, even the little things his mom never had time for. He made her breakfast, simple toast and tea, but he put it on a nice plate. And then he sat down and wrote a letter. In the letter, he wrote, "Dear Mom, I know I can't buy you flowers or chocolate, but I want you to know you are my hero. You work so hard and you never give up. I love you, not just today, but every day. Happy Mother's Day." When his mom came home, she was so tired, but when she opened the door, she saw the clean room, the breakfast, and the letter. She read the words slowly, and then tears came to her eyes. She hugged Liam tight and said, "This is the best gift I've ever had." You see, Mother's Day is not about money. It's not about big gifts or fancy things. It's about saying thank you to the person who gives us love every day. It's about small things, a hug, a letter, a simple act of kindness. Just like Liam, you can make someone feel special with your heart. So this Mother's Day, remember, it's not the gift that matters, it's the love behind it.